the birdies. You scared the monkey. You scared the birdies, you naughty boy. You there, sir. Very naughty boy. Hi. You ready for your close-up? Back up in there. There's that black cap guy. Oh, he's a big one. Oop, there it goes. You scared him, Bonky. You scared the birdies. Bonky boo. Bonky boo. Hey. Psst. Psst, 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 psst. What was that? There's an edge. Oh, he went away. Yeah, there's an edge. Nice, thanks. Make a mess over there. There he goes, pushing off into the trees. Alright. Someone's actually going the speed limit. Shocking. Walking up to the house. It is cold outside. Yeah, this scared someone off finally. and just in case you want to know my door, yes, it says "Doe women have immaculate homes." You'll see the reason why. In the door, there's a naughty kitty boy. Hey, hey, Bonk. What are you doing? What's that? Huh? What was that? Yeah, the quote-unquote antique room. Yeah. The, living room from, or, yeah, living room. And you got the, dining room here. And the bar. What's left of the bar. And of course, the throwback kitchen from the 70s in here with the cut-awful yellow countertop and the yellow floor that's shitty, and the avocado green oven with no front door. And in here we got the that's the the basement door in the hallway into the laundry room there. And go back through the here and go down in the hallway. Hallway from doom. And of course the bathroom's right there. Sister's little room in there. Yes, there's more junk in there. I will open it and I'll approve it. Dun dun dun. Good lord, something fell. Alright, and of course mom's room. More junk. And my poor room. With complete with dog 1 and hi Dollie, dog 2. And that's Marty being a lazy bum. And I got my check today. Ah. So that's the tour of the house.